Hi, today we want to do something quick and fun for the kids. We happen to have a cotton candy machine that sometimes the kids spin cotton candy and sell it. We would just figure we'll show you how cotton candy is spun, and then you'll spin it and we'll show you how that's done. It's just something quick and easy. So the heat of the spinning cotton candy machine just melts the sugar and spins it into a fine cotton, and we spin it on the paper cone, and when it's all done, it's done.
Wait, hold this.
I can hold this. Should I eat it?
I don't know.
I don't know. What are you doing?
You could roll a drumstick.
That looks like a good idea. We can do this a while.
Yeah.
You want to try that?
Yep.
Which color?
Purple.
Purple. I'll do a half a. Right? Ready? Oh, now that looks decadent. Every kid in America is going to want one of those.
Of course.
Wow.
My hand is.
Where's mine?
I don't know. No.
So there's some good ideas for cotton candy. You saw how it was made, and Danny's got a new dessert.